Guys, so today we're making some curry chicken. So I have the chicken here and we're gonna be seasoning it up, season this chicken to make some curry chicken. So we'll start off with some salt, black pepper, we got some red crushed pepper, okay, we're gonna add some garlic powder.
And garlic make everything taste good, huh?
Yep, tastes really good with garlic. We're gonna add some thyme. Some basil. Put it down. Okay. We're gonna add some smoked paprika. Okay. Some parsley, dry parsley. And some chopped onions. I put sazon in everything I make, so here you go. Got some sazon. And some accent.
Lots of flavor.
Yep. Okay. We're gonna use our hands and we're gonna make sure we rub that in really good. Your fingers are better to use than a spoon, because when you use your fingers, you get to rub the seasoning in the meat.
That smells good already.
Yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic powder. Okay. So we're gonna set this aside for a couple of hours before we start making the curry chicken, or chicken curry. Yep, so that's our seasoned chicken.